welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a micro braid lock extension retie. This client got this installed in May and she's about 7 months in. She got this retie last week, the first week of December. So a few notes to note about this client. She informed me that normally when she gets braids or anything like that, she struggles with her edges, softest areas, and seem to slip out or break off easily. So we've noticed a lot of slippage in those areas. So to remedy that, I took a lot of the extensions off of the front edges. Now, I typically don't show you guys my clients' faces, so I'm not going to really zoom into her edges, but I would just say a way to deal with an area of your hair that's struggling with extensions, if you have it, or if you have a client that's having problems in that area, is to remove the extensions and let the hair do what it's going to do. I like to say that locking your hair is like your own personal journey. You have to do what you need to do to your head to make your hair flourish. So I have no problem with removing extensions where I think that it's not working out in that area and waiting to see what the hair does and then assessing later. So that is something I'm doing for her hair, which I didn't show, but next time maybe I'll show a close-up of like just the idea. Extensions can take a long time to completely fuse with your hair, so slipping them off is not really that hard depending on your hair texture and the method of locking your hair. So with all that being said, if you have any questions, please leave them below and enjoy watching me work as I get my girl together.